where you were happy and nothing else mattered. Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this Instagram story right here, so keep on watching. First of all, I'll go out of that story, and to search for that sticker you have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And from here you have to go to viral now at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, in 24 hours. So it's better to go to viral now at highlights. Here you have to click on the stories until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it, is the last one. And from here you just have to click on the add yours button. And if you have problems with clicking on the add yours button, so if you are not able to click on this button, I will pin a comment which I will add a link with a video that shows you what to do if you are not able to click on this button. So yeah, from here you just have to click on the upload and choose a photo that you want. So I will go with this photo, just a random photo, just an example for you guys. And from here you can make your sticker bigger or smaller, and also your picture. So click on send to, then click to share to your story, and then click on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.